How to fix Webtoon easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and after that scroll all the way down until you find the Webtoon here. Click on it, click on force stop and then click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options here from the mobile data into the roaming data and then click on the power usage details. Disable the power consumption alert like that. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Webtoon and update it from here if you found an update option. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.